So you use a 3/8 slide weight. Put the slide weight on the line. Use a swivel with a clip. It's just easier to take leaders on and off. Swivel. If you and then we use fluorocarbon. You could buy this at most stores. Fluorocarbon is invisible to the fish, 4-pound fluorocarbon. And you make like a leader about 1.5 feet, 2 feet long. And when it's done, you gotta find these hooks, mosquito hooks. This is gonna be a long leader. But when it's done, it's gonna look like this. A weight, a mosquito hook, size 10. See that? Got it? And then we use these mice tails. This has been the color that's working where we've been catching all the fish. It's a pink and white mice tail. You hook it right to the side, right underneath the white head. You kind of let the sharp of the point stick out, bury the hook. Now when it floats in the water, it'll float sideways like this.
Okay, let me take a good look at where the hook is. Okay, got it.
And then we dip it in this. This is garlic. I put it in the lid. We have another one down there. We spray it.
Minutes, 3:20.
And bam, that's it. Cast it out, maybe 30 feet, 25, 30 feet. No more than that.
Oh my goodness. Dog is crazy overfishing.